the dust of this forgotten land. A frozen breath in the lungs of noon, too late for sun and much too soon for noon. The shadows hold their tongues against the gray, watching the pale giants lose their way. No compass, needle spinning in the light, just a long surrender to the sight. The slow drift of clouds on a windless day, carving the void in a quiet display. The clocks have gone, we folded their face, while we vanish inside of this hollowed out space. Old men lean on the gate of the park, tracing the lines before the coming dark. They see the map shifting without a sound, high above the hard and stubborn ground. The river is a mirror for the ghosts of everything we loved and traded most. But the vapors do not mind the debts we pay, they simply turn their silver heads away. No compass, needle spinning in the light, just a long surrender to the sight. The slow drift of clouds on a windless day, carving the void in a quiet display. The clouds have gone, weary and folded their face, while we vanish inside of this hollowed out space. The largest of clouds on a windless day, carving a void in a quiet display. The clouds have gone, weary and folded their face, while we vanish inside of this hollowed out space.